You get to sneak around in a cardboard box, but if you get spotted, the cardboard box gets taken away. You may enter any fictional universe of your choosing, but you must stay in that universe for the rest of your life.
You get to spend a week with any fictional protagonist you choose, but you have to help them on their most dangerous adventure, and you are very mortal during the trip.
Your favorite sports team wins the championship this upcoming season, but the team will not win another championship for at least 50 more years.